looking for a large, semi-custom built new construction home in the Simpsonville area on a large lot, in this video, we're going to take a tour of the Fraiser floor plan by Toll Brothers. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them through purchasing their dream home and selling at the best price. And we would love to help you too. All right, so our contact information are in the description box below. Go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right, let's check out the Fraiser floor plan by Toll Brothers. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. And this is a cement board hardy plank subdivision. You've got some stone combination in the hardy plank here. 3-car garage. Now the third car, you cannot access the third car from the inside. So there's a back door into the yard. There's a yard door from the inside. The water heater is in there as well, okay? And you got some extra parking pad here so you can park some additional vehicles. Obviously side entry garage, plenty of concrete here for additional parking. Front porch here, nice tall front door with glass, so lets in some natural light. And as you walk in here, you got your entryway, and this entryway here is actually big enough to set up some kind of table and chairs here and for your guests when they come in, or you can just do a console table or something like that there. All right, formal dining room. You got some recessed lighting in here, so good natural light coming through here. Crown molding, and that goes into the butler's pantry, so we'll go over there in a moment. All right, so right here you have your networking, cable and everything goes in here, and then you've got some additional storage. And right here is your coat closet. Luxury vinyl planks on the flooring throughout the main living area. You've got the wood stairs as well, so it keeps everything nice and clean. And plenty of natural light coming through here from all these windows. And you've got the 4-panel sliding glass doors here, so it slides all the way, all 3 panels go all the way to the first one. And I'll open that here in a second when we go outside. All right, quartz countertop. You got the under cabinet lighting with the tile backsplash, gas range. You got a 6-burner range here, and the farmhouse sink. It does have the built-in trash cans as well, or trash bin, and soft close drawers, soft close cabinets. You got the breakfast area over there, and a nice little fireplace as well. The microwave built in, oven built in. Okay, you got the range hood right over there. Okay, and tile backsplash in the butler's pantry as well, and then your pantry here. And it does have some shelves on behind this door as well. So you got some extra shelves there for additional storage for your food pantry. You can put a few bar stools here as well, okay? All right, let's check out this side of the home. So right over here, you got the 2-car garage. Like I said, you do not have access to the 3rd-car garage from the inside of the home for this particular Fraiser. Okay, mudroom. You got your powder room here, and all luxury vinyl plank on this main level. Okay, so this is your downstairs bedroom Tile floors here, tile shower all the way to the ceiling. You got a little bench there as well. Make a great in-law suite. And a mini walk-in closet with the luxury vinyl planks on the floor. And let's check this outside out while we're here. So the way this works, you just push it. And the whole thing opens up. Let me back up and show you. So you can see you've got plenty of space there to move things, you know, just open it up and enjoy the breeze. And nice size covered patio. And these lots here, this one's about 0.57 acres. So all the lots here are a little over half acre. And then you have a couple of them that are actually 3 acres. And there are a couple of ponds in the neighborhood as well, as far as amenities go. There is a floor outlet here, so you can be able to plug something in, you know, once you place your furniture. All right, so let's head on upstairs. Hardwood stairs. And then you come up here, you got a loft area, nice size loft with the tray ceiling, and we'll go to that side in a moment. All right, so this is the primary bedroom, tray ceiling as well, and then the 2 closets here. You got double closets. One is a little larger than the other, and you got, you know, luxury vinyl plank floors here. And then this is the second closet in the primary bedroom. Okay, a little bit smaller. And ensuite bathroom, double sinks. Got the nice soaking tub and water closet here. Linen closet. Okay, and then nice size shower. You got your wand there to use as a body spray. You got a little bench, and you got a rain head, shower head, as well as the wall shower head. Okay, you got a nice little window here to let in some natural light. All right, so right here is the laundry room. You got a nice sink there, folding table. And right here you have linen closet, tile floors in the bathroom here, double sinks in this one, tiled all the way to the ceiling, and that tub shower. And these are also soft close. Same with the cabinet doors, soft close as well. And third bedroom here, little walk-in closet. Again, a few windows here, plenty of natural light coming through here. And another linen closet. Okay, like I said, there are 4.5 bathrooms in this home. So here's another bedroom, the 4th bedroom, walk-in closet. Okay, carpet here this thing is almost white, so yeah, looks nice and clean, but you know, obviously you have to make sure you keep those clean. Double sinks in here in this Jack and Jill bathroom. Tile flooring, tiled all the way to the ceiling with the in the tub shower. Nice little niche. And all the bathrooms have that niche as well. So there's the other bedroom for the Jack and Jill. And another walk-in closet for this bedroom as well. swing around here a little bit. Okay. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com, or you can scan the QR code to schedule a time to chat with me. All right, we'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate South Carolina area. All right, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.